let's create our delicious creamy white dragon roll. Start by spreading about 4 ounces of sushi rice over a half sheet of nori, then flip it. Layer on imitation crab salad, asparagus, and cream cheese. Roll tightly and gently by hand, ensuring the filling is evenly distributed. Place 3 pieces of escalar and thinly sliced avocado on top of the roll. Use plastic wrap and a bamboo mat to shape the roll tightly before cutting into 10 pieces. After cutting, use the excess plastic wrap to cover the roll and reshape it again with a bamboo mat. Remove the plastic wrap from the roll. Arrange on a plate and sprinkle garlic sea salt on top. Use a blowtorch to sear the roll before dotting each piece with spicy mayonnaise and sriracha sauce. It's now ready to serve. Please remember to share, like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you for your support.